Hi, I'm Dorothy, and today we're going to make some chili lime salt and sprinkle it over some fruit. It's pretty basic, inspired by Mexican street food, where they have all those little cups of different kinds of fruit and watermelon, etc., sprinkled with tahine or a chili lime salt. It's delicious. Now I don't have watermelon or any, this is February, so I only have a few fruits in season and vegetables, so we're just going to go with what we've got. But first, the chili lime salt. Now, like I said, it's referred to as tahine in Mexico, and you can get that at grocery stores. Tahine is a brand name, but basically it's a chili lime salt. So we're going to use pink Himalayan salt. I'm going to use some true lime for the dehydrated lime, and then some chipotle, very spicy chipotle salt, spice. So those are the three ingredients. We're going to go with, this is really easy, 1 tablespoon of Himalayan pink salt, okay, 2 teaspoons of the true lime, which you can get at any store, 1 and 2, and then we're going to do 1.5 teaspoons of chipotle. And like I said, this chipotle is from our farm and it's really quite hot. But fresh fruit, cool cucumbers sprinkled with a spicy salt like this doesn't get much better. So we'll mix this up and then we'll put it aside and deal with the fruit, okay? Okay, fruits and vegetables. Now, like I said, it's February, so I didn't want to go with watermelon, which is a really popular fruit to put the chili lime salt on. I should call it chili lime salt so I don't get in trouble with the tahine people. So I did get a mango at the grocery store. They looked good. This is a jicama, and it's a classic Mexican, I guess you would call it a vegetable, but it's going to be really nice. It's very crisp, and with the tahine over it, chili lime salt over it, it's very good. And a cucumber. Also has some limes. A popular way to use the chili lime salt is to sprinkle the salt on the fruit and vegetables and then a squeeze of lime over the top. So, tools that you'll need: a peeler, a good peeler, and a really sharp knife. The jicama is a little bit difficult to peel. I'm going to peel that over the sink and I'll be right back. Okay, I peeled the jicama and the cucumber over the sink with just a regular peeler. This peeler I'm going to use to show you just basically how to peel the mango. It's pretty basic. I love this peeler though. It's the sharpest one I've been able to find. And I went through a lot of them trying to find a sharp one. We do a lot of marmalades here where we have to peel the fruit. And so it was really important to get good peelers. This is a coon. Anyway, I'm going to finish peeling that. And then we're just going to slice these into long, slender cylinders and sprinkle the tahine over them. Okay, everything is peeled. Now I'm going to get my very sharp knife, cut off the ends of the cucumber, and I'm going to put them in these little cups in the end, so I want them to be a certain height. So I'm going to go with that for a height and then just cut them into planks. If you're just doing this in a bowl, of course you can cut it into slices. Okay, but planks it is today. Now the jicama, also you want planks. I'm going to make planks out of this. Jicama is very crisp and crunchy, so those planks are going to go in there. And then the mango, the only thing you really need to know about the mango is it does have a seed inside, and it's a fairly large seed, so you cut around it like that. Let's see, you'll be able to feel it when you're cutting. So, and then you can take off some more planks of that. cut these into planks. And then I'm just going to put these in a bowl right now. And I'm going to sprinkle them with some tahini. Oh my goodness. Tahini is they're going to come after me. They're going to sue me. I'm going to sprinkle it with some chili lime salt. Tahini you can get, by the way, I'll give them a plug. You can get it at Walmart, any place. It's very, very common. Okay. And then when you eat these, you often will put a lime squeeze over the top, which just enhances the lime flavor. So I'll show you. Okay, let's give it a try. I'm going to go with the mango first. That's hot. Now, you can get more lime flavor. A lot of people do this by just squeezing the lime over it. Ooh, really spicy, sweet and spicy is a great combination. Oh, it makes it hard to talk though. I'm going to the store, I'm going to get some pineapple.